Hello mermaids, it's me, Ava Laureign, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be doing another makeup look. This video is going to be smoky eye makeup look. This video is requested by Ate Not Ordinary Kelly. Thank you so much Ate Not Ordinary Kelly for requesting this video. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood ang aking previous video, I will put the link up here or sa aking description box below. Disclaimer lang guys, I am not a makeup artist. I am just a makeup lover na gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo yung kakaunting alaman ko sa makeup. As you can see, I have already my makeup base. I did it off camera para mag-focus na lang tayo sa eyes. So let's get started.
Fantastic.
Simulan na natin guys ang paggawa ng ating smoky eye makeup look. I will be using this Vice X and Clutz eyeshadow palette and kukunin ko itong shade na ito. Siya ay si Lucky Commenter. Gagawin ko lang siya guys na eyeshadow base dahil ako ay naglagay rin ng konting BB cream on that area. Isiset ko lang siya with cream matte shade na eyeshadow. After that, kukunin ko lang itong brush na ito. I will be using this shade here. Ang shade name niya ay si Sana All. Siya yung magsisilbi nating transition color. I will put it sa aking crease. There you go. Ito ay medyo orangey. Later on is i-build up naman natin yung color. So don't you worry guys. And kukunin ko lang itong shade na ito, which is si Coffee is Life. Lalagay ko lang siya dito, outer portion ng aking lid. Then papasok. Guys, kapag ginagawa nyo ang smoky eye makeup look is nagpapatong-patong lang talaga kayo guys ng color. Dapat di nyo natatakpan yung inyong transition color. As you can see, kahit nagbi-build up tayo ng product, visible pa rin yung ating transition color, which is yung medyo orangey na shade. After that, I will be using this shade here, which is si Plantita. I will use that to further deepen my outer corner. Dito ko lang siya i-concentrate sa outer portion ng ating lid. And I will build it upwards. Gagawin lang din natin sa ating kabilang mata. And kukunin ko lang yung mga colors na nilagay natin sa ating lids. Lalagay ko rin siya sa aking lower lash line. Kunin ulit natin si Sana All. Lastly is gamitin naman natin si Plantita. Lalagay ko siya sa outer portion ng ating lower lash line. After that, I will be using this shimmer shade here na nandito sa Vice X and Clutz Face Palette. Lalagay ko itong mascara ng Vice X and Clutz Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara. Hindi mo na ako makakapag-falsies guys dahil nawawala yung aking eyelash glue. Proceed na ako sa aking lips. I will be using this Vice X and Clutz Soft Matte Lipstick in Clutz. Lastly, I will be using this Luxe Organix Beauty Mist by Clutz to set our face para mawala rin yung powderiness ng texture ng ating makeup and to make our makeup stay longer. Right. And I am done sa ating smoky eye makeup look. This is the final look. I just want to give a quick shout out sa aking KPSG team, especially to Ate Josephine Vlogs and Kuya Eros Ramirez. Special shout out kila Ate G and Ate Ann of KATH'S Vlog. Hello guys. Shout out to Miss Yen Olay of bybayan.com. Thank you so much Miss Yen for always being so supportive of me. And also to my YouTube family, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Love. There you go, mermaids, and we are done sa ating smoky eye makeup look. And thank you sa nag-suggest ng video na ito na si Ate Not Ordinary Kelly. Kung meron kayong natutuhan for today's video, huwag niyong kalimutang i-like. Mag-subscribe din kayo sa aking YouTube channel, Ava Laureign, at sa aking second vlogging channel, Mermaid Ava Vlogs. At huwag nyo na rin kalimutan mag-comment pa ng inyong mga video suggestions down below. Huwag nyo na rin kalimutang kalembangin ang bell. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood ng video na ito. See you guys on my next one. Bye! Stay safe. God bless. I love you all.